ScanForce is our WMS system, and it's fantastic. We're very happy with it. It runs on the Android handheld scanners that the order pullers in the warehouse use. It runs on touchscreen monitors at our packing stations on our packing lanes. And as an order moves from our ERP into ScanForce for the picking and packing processes, it will then move into RateLinx for shipping. So the mobile printing I mentioned, the mobile label printing I mentioned, was actually a partner project between ScanForce and RateLinx. It was something that was inspired by, it was actually inspired by the company that gave us our RateLinx reference call before we signed the deal. And we said, man, we've never thought about that before. And what that means is our parcel department has just this year shipped probably over 100,000 full case items, meaning they come straight off of the truck onto a shelf in the warehouse, straight off the shelf, we put a FedEx label on and get it out the door. We've always loaded those full case items onto the packing lanes, not because they need to be packed, but they needed to be on lanes to make their way to the shipping stations to be processed. We don't even need to weigh them. That data is already recorded, but they needed to be on those lanes. The mobile print project lets us bypass those lanes. We have Zebra mobile battery-powered wireless label printers. And so now our order pullers can go straight to the shelf, scan an item, it's going to print a FedEx label, and they put it straight on the box. They take it right to the FedEx truck, and it stays off the lane entirely. It makes the order processing faster, and it's going to free up a ton of space on the lanes and reduce traffic jams.